Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Hey Google on your Android phone. So you can see when you say Hey Google, it's going to open up Gemini or something like that. So swipe on down from top right and go to Settings. And we're looking for Google services on your phone. It could be on the top. And then we can scroll on down. And something else popped up on my other phone. And that can get really annoying. Maybe you can tease someone if they have Hey Google turned on. So, oh gosh, it happened again. So that can get really annoying. But going down to Google Services, and then we can find it right here. We can see all services. Let's go to the right, going down. Keep scrolling down, and we're looking for the option for Search Assistant and Voice. Okay, once we have this turned on, we can go down to Gemini. Tap that, and there should be an option for Hey Google. Don't say it. But right here, just turn it on. We have it turned off, no thanks, and then we have it turned on. So once you turn on Hey something, go to Manage Voice, and then you'll have to say like maybe like 5 or 6 different sentences to set this up to match your voice. So random people probably won't be able to access your phone search. So you can set it up right here under Gemini. And you should be good to go once you have that set up. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.